Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Food and Healthy Food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today, we are going to make homemade tomato chutney easy and tasty recipe. It goes well with South Indian snacks like idli, uttapam, dosa, even appams and also with rice. Now let's see the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of salt or adjust as per your taste. We need 1 tablespoon of coriander, cumin, and sesame seeds. Take 1/4 cup of peanuts and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. 4 tomatoes. 1 cup of chopped onions. 1 sprig of curry leaves. 3 to 5 green chilies depending upon your spicy levels. 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Cooking oil. Turmeric. Switch on the stove on medium flame. Take frying pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. After oil is heated, add half a teaspoon of coriander seeds. Add onions and stir well. Add green chilies and stir well. Add curry leaves and stir well. Now if you see this, onions are fried well, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Add 2 pinches of turmeric. Add chopped tomatoes and stir well. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 10 minutes. Open the lid and add salt to taste. Now cook on low flame until the mixture gets thicker. Meanwhile, take 1 small pan, on medium flame roast coriander, sesame, fenugreek, and cumin seeds until flavor comes out and turns into golden brown. Remove to a small cup and keep it aside. Add peanuts and roast until it turns brown color. Switch off the flame and remove to a cup. After few minutes, add all the seeds and peanuts and grind until smooth. Now add the powder on top of mixture and stir well for few minutes. After that, remove the pan from heat and let the mixture cool down. Add the mixture in a blender and blend to make coarse chutney. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another interesting videos. Until then, stay safe.